It is always really rewarding to just step out of the office and look around me. I'm surrounded by plants and surrounded by beautiful people that really care deeply about taking care of plants and restoring and conserving natural areas. We manage 585 acres of the park, provide volunteer opportunities and education opportunities. We make sure that the landscape and the ecosystem is green and sustained and help take care of all of the operations in the park. Today, the landscape management team was preparing the site for a planting that's taking place tomorrow. The staff were placing the plants for volunteers, and they will be planting these 350 native trees and shrubs in this area to restore it as part of their volunteer activities. Con Ed Corporate Philanthropy is going to help us continue our mission. The grant specifically supports the landscape management team and going to help us take care of Brooklyn's last remaining upland forest and the 350 acres of natural areas that Prospect Park has, and make sure that it thrives and continues to exist for the future generations.